Funko Pop Addicts! What's up? It's your boy Delz. Welcome to the Delz Show. And I finally scored this chase I've been looking for forever. And I was so close to buying it from a couple of resellers, but I just was like, nah. But then I ran into someone that hooked me up with it for retail, basically, plus shipping. I paid like $16, $17 shipped. So I finally got the Ant-Man chase. I've been waiting and waiting and trying to hunt this down, and I finally got him. Love Ant-Man. Great movie. I think that the first one was better than the second one. I was able to score Wasp in the wild, and it was just so annoying having Wasp and not having Ant-Man. So with that said, let's take both of them out of the box. Bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look, and let's get into it. Alright, so here we go with them both out of the box. We'll focus on Ant-Man first. Check him out. Looks fantastic. Basically, the difference is they're not wearing their helmets, and he definitely looks great, I must say. There is a side profile, and there's a look at his outfit. There's a look at his back. And make sure you subscribe here. If you love Funko Pops, we do tons of Funko Pop content and a lot more. Now get into Wasp. There's a look at her outfit. Great details. There's a look at her side profile. There's a look at her back with her wings. Notice it has the Funko branding behind the wing. And there's a look at our other side. And as you can see, we got tons of Funko behind us. We got the Holiday Groot available now. That will be linked in the description box below. We've got the Audrey 2 over there, which I'm looking for the chase. If anyone has, hit me up. That is available now. I'll also link down in the description box below. We've got Biggie Smalls. There are two different ones. You've got the King of New York version, and then you have Biggie with the jersey. All of these are available, linked in the description box below, guaranteed mint condition. And of course, we got the Mariah Carey Funko Pop, also available now. Once again, I'm going to link a ton of them in the description box below for your convenience. I did review Gearhead, which is an early look. This is the New York Comic-Con exclusive. Definitely watch the review on that. And watch my review on the Venom, the Marvel Collector's Corpse Venom. I did do an honest review on the actual box, everything in the box. I take Venom out of the box. Can't wait to watch the movie. I've heard a lot of great things about it. Some people are saying negative stuff. I noticed on YouTube. They're doing videos, but they never even seen the movie. They're just going off of social media, which to me is super corny and lame. Like, you need to watch the movie. Stop being an effing hater. Like, there's so many people that are so quick to hate on a movie without even watching it. At least watch it first before you go ahead and bash a flick. Don't run off of tweets. That's just so corny to me. I'm hoping it's a good movie. There's a few people that I respect their opinions that have told me that the movie is awesome. So I'm excited. And if it sucks, I'll be the first one to tell you it sucks. I love Star Wars. I thought The Last Jedi was horrible, but I wasn't going off of what people said at first. I needed to see it myself. That's just me. I did like the Solo movie, though. But if you've seen the Venom movie and you think it sucks, that's fine. Leave that in the comment box below. And if you've seen and love it, let me know. Are you even into seeing the damn movie? I'm curious, too. Leave that in the comments. But one more time, I'll look at Ant-Man and the Wasp. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. Once again, subscribe if you're new. If you had fun watching this, make sure to thumbs up the video and leave a comment. Even if you have nothing to say, write I love pizza. It helps my channel so much. And I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow with a new video.